Good morning from the beautiful Disney Dream. It is day 2 of the cruise and we're currently sailing into Nassau, Bahamas. I'm so excited. The day looks absolutely beautiful, but I think my plan for the day is I'm going to stay on board and enjoy all the ship has to offer. But we're getting started first with a little room service breakfast. So I've got some croissants, some fruit, some coffee. I also got a little jam for the croissants and some juice. So I think I want to enjoy this and then probably head to the gym, get it out of the way, start the day with that, and then we'll see what else we get up to. So come along for a super fun day on board the Disney Dream. All ready for the gym. It's 7:15 now, so I'm kind of hoping to be done by like 8:15, and then I can come back and get officially ready for the day. But let's go check out the gym. I'm super excited because even when I worked on this ship, that was like before we had guest gym privileges, so I've never been to the Dream guest gym. So let's go check it out now. Alrighty, we are back. Gym session is done for the day. I spent a little bit longer in there than anticipated. So now I think the plan of action is we're going to get some breakfast. We're going to go to Cove and get a coffee. But before we do that, I want to stop by the atrium and see if there's any princesses out just to have a little look. So, let me show you the outfit. Let's see if you can see. I've got my crown and ivy dress on and my little sandals. And we've got sunglasses, my butterfly bag, and my rainbow cardigan. So now we are officially ready for the day. Let's go. Okay, breakfast is served. We went for some eggs and mushroom and potatoes, a Mickey waffle, and some watermelon. And we've got a gorgeous breakfast view. Got an almond milk latte. We got Stitch on top. Hello from deck 4. My room is currently being serviced, so I thought I'd just take a little stroll outside and check in, a little afternoon check-in. So after my coffee, I went and I met Rapunzel, and she was so cute. It was so sweet. I absolutely loved it. And then on my walk back to my room, I ran into Mulan. So just meeting all the royal friends today. I met Cinderella yesterday, so I still have to meet Belle, Tiana, and Ariel. But that'll definitely happen this cruise. But now we're just gonna take a little lap around deck 4 and then head back to the room to refresh. Alrighty, we have suited up, the swimsuit is on, and we're gonna head on up to deck 11 to ride the Aqueduct. I am so excited for this. So I'm gonna hopefully be able to film it on my GoPro. I've brought the little wrist strap, so hopefully we can get a little slide POV. Let's go! fun. I am definitely riding the AquaDuck again. That was so much fun, an absolute blast. I really want to do it at night because I think it lights up, so I think that would be super fun. So stay tuned because we'll definitely be doing a little nighttime ride at some point on this cruise. But on my way back, I stopped by the soda fountain for a little sparkling lemonade. So the recipe here is 3/4 soda water, 1/4 lemonade. I put it in a cup that they had there because I left my mug down here in the room. But then I put my little park koozie on it. So it looks like Mary Blair designed park cups. And I'm absolutely loving it. This is just delicious. So for right now, I'm going to have a little recharge, reset, enjoy the cabin. But tonight, we have two very exciting things. It's pirate night, so we're going to get dressed into our pirate attire. I came back to my room, and we had 2 pirate bandanas in here, which is super exciting. I actually brought my one from my last cruise, so now I have 3 pirate bandanas. And it's also the first of the theater shows. So tonight is Disney's Believe in the Walt Disney Theater. So I think I'm going to go to the first show of that, then head on upstairs to watch the pirate party. So that'll be lots of fun. And then I found out that from my veranda, you can see the fireworks. So I think since on my last cruise, I went upstairs to watch the pirate show and see the fireworks, I think this time I'm gonna stay in my cabin and watch them from the veranda. I think that would be so special and so fun, maybe even order some room service for it. But yeah, that's gonna be an absolute blast. So I will check back in when we're changed and ready to kind of kick off the later afternoon activities. But today is just proving to be such an amazing day. I can't believe how much I've done. Like, I don't know if I've vlogged everything, but it has been just a jam-packed day, so much fun, and there's still so much yet to come later on this evening. Arg, we're ready for pirate night. Hold on, let me pop this up on the wall. Oh, okay, here's a little look at the outfit. Let me back it up. So I've got my red dress and my Mickey denim jacket. Pretty cute. And I'm wearing my scarf that they provided as a little neck scarf. I've got some body glitter. And we are actually going to go play MidShip Detective Agency. I'm going to meet up with my friends and we're going to give the little game a go. I'm super excited. So I think this one is Muppet themed and there's like all different challenges and like magic pictures around the ship that you use to solve the mystery. So let's go be detectives before we dive into pirate mode. Need that, I can't.
Detectives, I have a feeling there's something important in that safe. What do you think the passcode could be to open it?
Hi, I've got a detective card. Did it. Case solved. We found the missing props. That was so much fun, but doing a quick turnaround because it is time to go to the Walt Disney Theater for the first show. Tonight is Disney's Believe. I cannot wait to see the show, and then we're gonna head straight on up to the Mickey's Pirates in the Caribbean up on deck 11. Then maybe grab some dinner because I realize like I'm kind of getting hungry. So off to the shows and check in at the pirate party. We are heading to the pirate party. The sun is setting. It's a gorgeous night. I also just had some pizza. I was starving after the show. Look at the funnel. Check it out. Wait for it. There it is. There's the funnel. Okay, we're gonna find a good little spot for the pirate party. Yay! Oh my gosh, the VIPs are coming. I think I'm gonna watch this one from a little bit further back just to get a better view of the whole stage. It's such a nice night out. This is just so good. It's like the perfect little breeze, perfect little sunset. Okay, we've got our spot back of the ship, watching from the aft view.
number 8.
All of you, official members of my pirate crew.
Welcome home to Mickey's Pirate Crew.
We got company!
Mr. Snape! Oh my gosh!
Now arriving, please give a big Disney dream welcome to the new captain of this here ship, all the way from Neverland is Captain Hook.
It's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew!
Green cheers for our new crew!
Here's what we say to you. Pass the test and save the ship and crew. It's true.
Alright, I've come back to the room to find this guy waiting for me. Happy pirate night. And we've got our little gold doubloons. Delicious little chocolates here. Let me know, is this Davy Jones? Is this who this is supposed to be? Anyway, we're back in the room. I'm gonna put on the comfy clothes and then we're gonna recap from the day. What a day. So quick little recap. Since I last checked in, I went to see the show Believe. I had an amazing seat. I was 4 rows back, like kind of right in the center, a perfect spot. And the cast was so good. The show was so sweet. I haven't seen that show in a really long time, so that was super, super special. And I really enjoyed that. And then after that, I headed upstairs to see the Mickey's Pirates and the Caribbean party. I had like a kind of partial view, but it was still really good. I grabbed some pizza before that because I realized like I was super hungry, and the pizza was delicious. And then we watched the show, and after that we did a little wandering of the shops. I grabbed a little drink, and now here we are back in the stateroom, comfy as can be. And now I think I'm just going to wash off my makeup. I might put on a movie or read my book. I'm not really sure yet, but then we're gonna be watching the fireworks from the veranda, and that is how we are wrapping up this amazing Nassau day. It's a little bit earlier than I would have thought I'd be, like kind of coming in and getting in my comfies, but I realized I got up unnecessarily early this morning. Like my alarm went off at 5:55 and I had like coffee brought to me at 6 a.m., which is just so silly. I did not need to have it that early. So I feel like for tomorrow, with it being a day at sea, I just want to have a bit more of a restful morning. I'll just get up and go and get my coffee whenever I'm ready for it, and then I can bring it back out here on the veranda. I saved one of the little croissants from this morning, so I have a little croissant that I can have with my coffee, and I'm just so excited for all that tomorrow's going to bring. Today in Nassau was just so special. I think some of the highlights, if I were to pick 3 highlights, it would be seeing my friends in the show. That's number 1. Number 2 would be the Aqueduct. That was an absolute blast. That was just so much fun. And number 3, that would definitely be playing the MidShip Detective game. I don't know if I shared that much about that in the moment, but that game is so much fun. So you pick up your little like map and your key card, and you go around the ship and you use all the magic pictures to help solve the mystery at hand. And it was an absolute blast. We did solve the mystery, so that was like a thumbs up. Yeah, those were my top 3 moments of the day. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. I've already been like highlighting some things on the Navigator app, and one of the things that I really want to do is like the crew member pin trading. So you can go and like do your pin trading with different crew members. I've been looking in all the shops. They don't have any pin boards up for like just open trade. So I'm definitely going to be checking that out tomorrow. Also, there's the Royal Gathering. We can't forget, Beauty and the Beast is tomorrow. That's going to be the absolute highlight of the whole cruise, I feel like. But yeah, lots of fun things in store. You'll have to subscribe to follow along for the next video and check out what we get up to on our day at sea on board the Disney Dream. But in just a little bit, we have the fireworks going off, so I'm just gonna rest, chill, and enjoy before we watch the fireworks. I'll definitely include a clip of them at the end of this video. But thank you so much for tuning in for day 2 of this Disney Dream cruise. It was just so much fun to bring you along and share everything that we got up to. It's like having a friend here to have the vlog come around with me. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy the fireworks.
So cool.